Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review Capital.com. In this video I'm going to focus on account opening, withdrawal fees, inactivity fees, also what kind of things they offer. Then also I'm going to talk to you about the trading platform, if I like it or if I don't like it. Then also what are some advantages and disadvantages important to know. So in this video I'll try to focus on the basics, like if the Capital.com is actually good. Now, if you want to use Capital.com and you want to try the demo account and you want to try an open account, there is going to be a link down below in the description, the referral link. And if you're going to use it, you can support me and this channel. So let's start. Now, what are some advantages and disadvantages that I wrote here? So, what I really like about Capital.com, that it's regulated. This is always the first thing that I always see. Okay, if it's regulated or no, it is good news. The second thing, what I always like to read about is email support. Do they have chat email support? Yes, they do. And from even the reviews of other people, it's really good because they reply, they are active. So this is the second thing that I really like about. Then also the really easy, great account opening experience. So this is something that I, again, really like, that even when you try free demo, or try to open an account by yourself with the link down below in the description, it's really easy. It's nothing that difficult. And that's another thing that I really like. Also, low Forex Cfd fees and commission-free stocks. And this is another thing that I like. Okay, transparent, amazing. But what are some disadvantages? Is that high stock index CFD fees. This is like the first thing, that they got higher those fees. Smaller account currency is not available. So these are the two, like, let's say, disadvantages that I personally see about Capital.com. So that's pretty much it. Now, what about other things? So you have no inactivity fee charge. So let's say that for 1 month you wouldn't do anything. For 2 weeks you would go to Bali, to, I don't know, somewhere, enjoying life, and you're not going to trade. It's all right. No inactivity fees. Withdrawal fee amount. No withdrawal fees. So this is another huge news that I personally like about Capital.com. So no withdrawal fees, amazing. Minimum deposit is $20, and time to open account is like approximately 1 day. So that's another really good. They offer the demo account, and that's what I always recommend, because let's say that you would read reviews in, let's say, Trustpilot. You would see that plenty of people who are choosing like a bad review are people who lost money. And in my opinion, it wouldn't matter if it's a Capital.com or if it's other trading platform, because if the trading platform is not great, I'm going to say it. But trading platform with Capital.com is really simple to use, easy to understand. The leverage is 30-1. And in a moment when you're gonna like use it, you're not going to see too many difficulties, like comparing to interactive brokers. So what they offer stocks, ETFs, CFD, equity index, crypto, commodities also, you see right here. And that's pretty much it. Now, the whole, like how you can deposit with a card is simple. The education is also great here. So that's another thing that I like, is when I come here to, let's say, discover, on right side, you can see the news here and also learn to trade. Now, when you would check also, not only that, but if you would go to the reviews, you can see that even people wrote that, okay, the Capital.com really got excellent reviews. So if you're going to use it, you're not going to make a mistake. That's what I personally believe in. And when I go further, and I want to show you also another things here. So let's say these are the fees for Capital Cfd fees for 2,000 long position held for 1 week. And you see it right here. It is a little bit higher from the fees. And here's our the benchmark fees, and real stocks fees are completely for free. So you see that they don't have any inactivity fee, any account fee, any deposit, any withdrawal fee, and it's really good. So account opening fast, fully digital, low, minimum deposit. Deposit and withdrawals also no deposit fee, free withdrawal. Simple as that. And you can see right here that you can easily add money to your account. And other than that, even the mobile and web is pretty good, and I want to show you around here. So when I come here to trading platform, I can simply click trade here, and let's say I have commodities, right? I have gold, and I have let's say margin 20 to 1, and let's say I buy when the price is okay, and close at profit, let's say price level see, this will be my profit. And you see right here that you can always understand how it works, and you see the trade size. So when this would get to 500, I'm going to sell it to, and look at this, close at profit right here. See? And this is the distance. Oh, you don't see it right now, so I'm going to show you. So you see right here the distance, the profit, the price level, close at loss. You can do that. And really easy to understand, right? So even when I would go here to, let's say Rolls-Royce, and let's say look at the margin here, again 5 to 1. And let's say I'm going to buy 500, 550. So 5 to 1 for 100. Then I'm going to buy it like this, and I'm going to close at profit at 0.5. Look at this, 190 euro. So as you can see, like, it's really simple to use and really easy to understand. And I created a whole tutorial on how you can use the Capital.com. So my recommendation is try it out, test it out, see it out by yourself if you like it or if you don't like it. And again, if you want, guys, you can use the link down below in the description to support this channel and myself too. And that's pretty much it. So this was a Capital.com review. If you can have any questions or if you want to know information, write it down below in the comments, and I'm really happy to help and provide you some guidance. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.